42 Center Cockpit, Beneteau, very clean. Very nice lines. Teak toe rail, smartly varnished. Dodger, hard Dodger in soft with the bimini. Very nice storage. Big huge sun platform in the aft deck with a drop down stern door with big steps. Currently closed right now. Great for sunbathing. Nice big cockpit. Main sheet led aft. All lines are led aft. Makes for single-handed sailing very easily. Of course, your gate on the starboard side, stainless steel lifelines. Lots of ports and windows, deck hatches that open for plenty of ventilation. Extremely clean. There she is. Call Mike Dorgan at Dorgan Yachts, 619-459-1648. 459-1648. Thank you.